This tutorial will show you how to use the ISET ZEMAX macro to create ZEMAX data files that can be read and used by ISET. You should have received the ISET ZEMAX macro file called ISET_RT_ZEMAX.zpl. Next, locate the folder containing your ZEMAX design file folder. In our example, we will use a design file called test. You need to locate this folder so that you can specify the location of the design file in the ISET macro. Edit the ISET macro file using Notepad or some other text editor. Look for the line beginning with parameters_files. The default location is a directory called ZEMAX in the main drive. You need to change this to be the name of the folder containing your ZEMAX design folder. Also, change the following line that begins with base name to have the same location as the folder containing your ZEMAX design file. Close and save the ISET ZEMAX macro and move it to the macro directory in ZEMAX. Now you're ready to start ZEMAX. Be sure that the hardware key is installed. Start ZEMAX and select the Macros pull-down menu and verify that the ISET ZEMAX macro file appears as in the menu. Open the lens file in ZEMAX using the File pull-down menu. Now the design file is loaded into ZEMAX. Select the Analysis pull-down menu, then select PSF, and finally FFT PSF. A window should appear that contains the FFT PSF. Select the Settings pull-down menu in this window. A new window appears, and here you need to change wavelength to be 1, image delta to be 0.25. Also, make sure that the sampling is set to 64 by 64 and the display is set to 128 by 128. And now select Save. Now we're ready to run the ZEMAX ISET macro. Select the macro. Again, in this case, it's called ISET_RT_ZEMAX from the macros pull-down menu. You should see a window that lists the PSFs as they are generated. And there will be a beep when the program is done. Congratulations! You've created the ZEMAX data that ISET can now read and use. Remember that these data are stored in the Design Lens folder.